Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set live wallpaper on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to home screen and lock screen magazine. Okay, tap this. Here in home screen and lock screen magazine, okay, scroll down and go to personalization section. Here in personalization section, you can see here the set wallpaper. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the set wallpaper. And now here in set wallpaper, you can see the live wallpaper. Okay, you can tap this to show more live wallpaper. And okay guys, you can scroll down for more live wallpaper or up. And okay guys, so I decide to set the live wallpaper, okay, on this photo or live wallpaper. You can tap this and you can see the set as button below. So you can tap the set as button and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can set into home screen or home screen and lock screen. So okay guys, I decide to set the live wallpaper on home screen and lock screen. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the live wallpaper on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.